cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Today I'm going to make a Nyonya steamed fish, but I have to admit that there is one important ingredient that I don't have. Later I will tell you which one. I have one piece of snapper fish head here. Now the thing about fish head is many people doesn't actually appreciate fish head. So, but in some family, like in my case, I'm the only one who like to eat fish head. My family member doesn't like it. So every time when I order a whole fish, I will actually purposely instructed the seller to leave at least 2 to 3 inches of extra body meat, so that my family can enjoy the meat, I can enjoy the fish head. Yeah, that's how you order. But you can only do this when you're ordering the whole fish. This is half of the fish head here, and after you wash it, you put a few slices of ginger and sprinkle with some salt. Yeah, then let's put it inside our steamer to steam it first. So you just use the steamer you have and steam it for approximately 8 minutes.
Start cooking.
Let it do its work. We will go and make the sauce. So let's quickly take a look at the ingredient. We have a few pieces of big chili cut into smaller pieces so that it's easier for blending later. A few pieces of shallot, garlic, a bit of ginger, and this is 1 teaspoon, actually a bit more than 1 teaspoon of Taucu, fermented soybean, 1 teaspoon of Asam, Asam puree, and 1 teaspoon of roasted Belacan, or you can use Belacan paste as well. And I'm going to use a bit of my Cooking Apa chicken powder to further enhance the flavor. And the one ingredient that I don't have today is the ginger torch flour. At least put in about half of the ginger torch flour inside to blend together. Actually, that flavor is quite important for Nyonya, but I thought I have it. Apparently, when I open the fridge, I don't have it. Use any blender you have. All the ingredients I use, I'll put inside the video description, alright? So the chili. I use a big chili. Usually for chili, the bigger it is, the non-spicy it is. So it is not spicy. Of course, if you want spicy, go ahead to add in some chili powder as well. But usually this dish is not spicy. It looks spicy only. Ginger, shallot. And I will also blend the Taucu, the Asam, together with the Belacan powder. You won't be able to buy Belacan powder. Usually it comes in a block or paste. So when I make it into powder from block myself. Yeah, just dry roast it. And I'm going to add in a bit of my Cooking Apa chicken powder. 0 MSG, 0 preservative. You can get it from Shopee in both Malaysia and Singapore. And I will add in a bit of water to smooth the blending process. Close the lid, then only we open the power, on the power, and right, once it become a fine paste, oops, that's right, this is good enough for me. We shall saute our blended chili. If you want brighter color, actually you can choose not to put the belacan. You're going to saute this using medium heat to really get the chili oil color out. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt, not too much, because some of the ingredients we put just now is already salted. But definitely you need to put a little bit more chili, sugar. I don't mind giving a little bit more oil here. The sourish flavor comes from the Asam. The sweetness comes from the sugar, and the savory comes from your fermented bean, yeah, the Taucu. If it's too hot, lower it down. If not, it can get burned as well. Be careful. And I'm going to make it a little bit watery. So add in a little bit of water, filtered water. So it becomes like a sauce and a broth to season the fish later thoroughly. Right. Ooh, I can hear my steamer is done. Just completed the job. Right, so the fish head is done. You don't want all the fishy water. I'm just going to take the fish and put it onto another serving plate. All this steaming water here is the source of fishiness. So here's the fish on the serving plate. Here's the nice Nyonya sauce. And garnish it with some fresh coriander on top. Right, my very simple Nyonya steamed fish is done. If you don't have much appetite recently, this will definitely open up your appetite. I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.